Hello, traders, investors, and market enthusiasts. Welcome to our weekly global market outlook. I'm Tolga, and we are here to keep you updated on the pulse of the global economy. This past week has been a roller coaster with significant movements in markets driven by economic data and geopolitical events. As we look forward to the coming week, we will delve into what might shape the financial landscape from policy decisions to economic reports. So, whether you are managing portfolios or trading Forex, stay tuned for insights you won't want to miss. Starting with last week, the Nasdaq rose by over 3%, aligning with the S&P 500 in record territory, while Dow faced a minor setback. This upward trend in technology sectors reflected strong consumer sentiment and robust earning reports, particularly from communication services. Meanwhile, Bitcoin surpassed the 100,000 mark, igniting discussions about cryptocurrencies' growing role in portfolios. On the economic front, the US labor market surprised with a robust 227,000 jobs added, although the unemployment rate ticked up slightly to 4.2%. This labor market strength has largely solidified expectations for a December rate cut by the Federal Reserve, barring any dramatic inflation shifts in the upcoming week. In Europe, despite political instability in France, markets showed resilience with gains supported by strong earnings reports. At the same time, oil prices saw a decline influenced by the OPEC Plus decisions to maintain production cuts. Looking to the week ahead, key economic reports and central bank meetings are set to capture our attention. Here's a day-by-day breakdown. Monday, the US Consensus Bureau will release wholesale inventories data, which may provide insights into supply chain status and stock efficiencies. Tuesday, watch for productivity and labor cost data from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics and updates on small businesses' optimism, which could hint at economic health and potential inflation impacts. Wednesday, the much-anticipated Consumer Price Index reports hit, likely influencing the Fed's policy decisions next week. Additionally, China's trade numbers and inflation data are expected to sway emerging market currencies. Thursday, the Euro area's ECB meeting will be closely watched for any rate cut action, while the US will release producer price and weekly unemployment claims. Friday, the week wraps up with export and import prices data from the US, which will be crucial for assessing trade balance impacts. To summarize, keep an eye on inflation figures and central bank meetings as they hold the potential to sway market sentiments. With market volatility on the rise, it is crucial to stay informed and adapt strategies accordingly. We would love to hear your thoughts or predictions. Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get our updates directly. Thank you for joining us on this market journey, and see you next week with more insights to power your trades.